Hello, welcome to the video series of the new SIMPATI. In this video, we want to show you how easy it is to switch from your SIMPATI Classic, like SIMPATI 490, 480, or even 2016 to the new SIMPATI. As we know, the biggest problem for many of you is the thinking that you have to write all programs new and that all your old work is on your old system and you cannot use it on the new system. That's no big problem. We will have in the new SIMPATI environment, we have this programming menu, and there you can program new programs, but even better for you, there is this program library button, and there you have this little import function. And with this import function, you can just select the chamber, and then you can import an existing program from your Windows folder structure into the new system, and then you have it here, and then you can directly adjust it or optimize it to your wishes. So there is no hurdle to use your old programs. You can include symbolic programs and tabularic programs, and the best is the new SIMPATI. If you program something, you can program it for all chambers at once, and if you have imported a program, you can use it then after the import on all chambers. So that's it for today. Feel free to look into our other videos, and I wish you a nice day, and bye bye.